So, tracking that storm near the Oklahoma City area, this is no joke. You can see the hook for yourselves, folks. This is not a game to be played here. This will eventually enter the area of Edmond. Anyways, let's bring our storm tracker John Monroe in Edmond right now that is on the phone. John, what are you seeing?
Yep, like you said, this is not something to play around today. We actually have a tornado on the ground near Edmond, and I'm headed close to it right now. I'm surprised this is unwarned.
Oh, this is new, folks. The National Weather Service just put out a tornado warning for Edmond. Everyone in Edmond, take cover right now.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a tornado warning for Oklahoma County until 3:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Edmond, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Edmond. Take cover now. Move to a storm shelter, safe room, or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.